Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I am fine. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so children, we are learning chapter 9, fractions of a number. Fractions of a number. So, how to find the fraction of a number? Who can give me the answer? How to find the fraction of a number? Yes, Kasina?
Multiply the fraction. Ma'am,
yes.
we have to multiply the fraction.
And the number. Yes, to find
And
the fraction of a number, we will multiply the fraction and the number. And children, I told you to revise the tables 6, 7, and 8. Yes, 6,
Yes,
7, and 8. Let me see who is ready with the tables. Yes, start with Benedict. Benedict, 8 times 8.
8 times. And can I?
No. Benedict, 8 times 8. Abdul, mute your device.
65?
60?
65?
Is it 65, children?
No.
What's the answer?
64.
64. You are near, but the answer is wrong, my dear. You are near, but we cannot say in math we have correct answer. We cannot give mark if you write 65. Yes, Abdul?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you give me the answer 8 into 7, Abdul?
Seven eights are 56.
Okay, 7, 8 or 8, 7, they are 56. Yes. Nia?
Yeah.
9 into 8. 9 into 8.
72.
72. Very good. Like this fast you have to tell me. Rayhan? 9 into 5. 9 into 5. 9 5s are.
9 5s. Ma'am. Ma'am, Rayhan is asking help.
Help. Is there any help desk there? Rayhan?
Ma'am, can I say?
No, wait. Rayhan, say, I think
60.
you were saying
60.
9 into 5. What about 10 into 5? 10 into 5?
20.
Oh my dear, 10 into 5. So what is 5 into 4?
50. 50.
10 into 5, 50. Any number multiplied with the 10, you have to write the number and 1 0. That is very easy. Table 10. So 5 into 10 is 50. So what is 9 into 5? Who can give? Yes, Aradhya. 9 into 5? 45. Yes, 45. Okay. Dave John.
Yes, ma'am.
7 into 7.
Ma'am, 7 sevens are 42.
49.
That is 6 into 7 is
Ma'am,
49.
49.
49. Very good. Correct answer. Okay. 49 is correct. Aradhya. 8 into 4.
8 4s are 2.
8 into 4.
8 into 32.
32. Amrin.
Yes, ma'am.
8 into 8.
8 into 8.
64.
8 into 8.
64.
64. What did you say, Amrin? Is it 54 or 64?
Ma'am, 64.
64. Okay, correct answer. Veda?
Yes,
6 into 8. 6 into 8.
6 into 8, 48.
48. Very good. See, some children have studied well. They are saying it faster. But some children, they are making mistake. Next time, I will start with the Rayhan. Where is he now? Is he present here now?
No.
No?
Think. No.
Okay, so children, please. Yes, Rayhan is here. So next day, Rayhan, please turn on your camera. I will start from you.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can we
please revise all the tables. Yes, Nia?
Ma'am, can we use cutting methods in our workbooks?
Yes, If you are confident, you can use that method. Okay. So children, I think we have completed till question number 13. Yes. Please take your math workbook, all of you. Page number 25. Page number 25. Can you show me your book fast? Page number 25.
Page number. I got. Ma'am, I got.
25. Okay. Have you
Ma'am,
completed question number 13?
Till 13.
13 is over. Yes.
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 Yes,
So Kasina, please read question number 14.
No, ma'am, 13 is not over. 13th B we have not completed.
I told you to do as. You have to complete.
We completed.
We completed, my dear. If you
A
not
and
complete, you can
B.
complete as homework. What's the answer? Question number 13B. And what's the
So-
answer of 13B?
2 into 10 into 100 centimeter is equal
2 by
2
10
by
into
10 is
100 is
so
20
20 centimeter. Okay, 20 centimeter. Correct answer. Okay. Now,
20
Kasina, please read all others mute device. Kasina, please read question number 14A.
Question number 14A.
Ah.
1 by 6 of an hour in minutes.
Okay, 1 by 6 of an hour. You have to write in minutes. Okay, so what we have to do, children, here, 1 by 6, we will write, and instead of what we will write? Multiply. Instead of this of, multiply. An hour. 1 hour equal to how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. 60 minutes. So children, please start. 1 into 60 is 60 divided by 6. Find out the answer and tell me how many minutes. 60 divided by 6.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Please wait.
Ma'am, I got
please
the
wait. I will give
answer.
you 1 more minute. Let everyone complete. You know, this is table very easy. 6 times which number? 60. You know that, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
10
10.
minutes.
Yes,
10
the correct
minutes.
answer is 10 minutes.
Ma'am,
10
my mother made me
minutes.
do this.
Okay. 10 minutes. Okay. You know 10 into 6 is 60. Very easy. Table of 6 here. 6 times which number? 60. Yes, sir. Ishan, did you get the page? Page number we are doing. Page number.
We do not. Ma'am, we do not need to look at the division. It's very easy.
Very easy. Okay. Now, who is going to read question number B? Anna Rose. Anna Rose, can you read question number B? Anna? I think she's facing some network.
2 by 5 of an hour in minutes.
2 by 15 of an hour. 2 by 15. 2 by 15 of an hour. 1 hour equal to how many minutes? Same. 2 by 15 of an hour. Yes, children, 2 by 15. Instead of, what do you write?
Multiply into
Multiply.
60.
Multiply.
Multiply.
Instead of,
Multiply.
we will do multiply.
Multiply.
1 hour.
Into
an hour.
60.
60 minutes.
60 minutes.
Multiply 60 into 2. 6 2s are 12. So
12.
you know that is 120 divided by 15. You have to do this alone. See, children, here the divisor is 15. You don't know the table of 15. What you have to do? Multiply the table and write 15 into 1, 15 times 2, 15 times 3. Multiply and write down the table.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is that?
Ma'am, I ended now only.
Okay, Tejasvi, please take your math workbook. Page number 25. Now we are doing question number 14B. Okay. Before that, question number 13, A, I will send in the group. Okay. Start from question number 14B. This is page number 25. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So all the children, what did I say? You have to find out the answer. 120 divided by 15. Multiply 15 times 1, 15 times 2, 15 times 3, find out the answer. 15 times 4.
Ma'am, can we do that in rough book?
Ah, yes, you can do in the rough book.
Ma'am, I have one doubt. Ma'am, I have got the answer.
Don't say the answer now. Please wait. Okay, tell me what is 15 into 1? Any number multiplied with 1. Same number. 15. 15 twos are?
30.
15 threes are?
45.
45. 15 times 4? 60. 15 times 5? 75. 15 times 6? 90. Yes, correct. 15 times 7? 105. What about 115 times 8?
120.
120. So what's the answer here? 15 times which number you got? 120? 8. 8, yes. Who joined now? Rahul. Okay, please take your math workbook, page number. Now we are going to do 15th one. So page number 26.
Ma'am, in the side, can you close that pen?
Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the beat one again?
Oh.
I haven't completed the last line.
Okay, so here children, we got the answer here 8. 8 what? Minutes. 8 minutes. Okay, so 2 by 15. 2 by 15 of an hour. See children, here we don't know the table of 15. So what you have to do? You have to multiply and find out 15 times 1, 15 times 2, 15 times which number is 120. So what is that answer? 8.
8
Minutes.
Ma'am, finished.
Finished.
We can do next page.
Stenin, can you read the next question number 15? 15. Stenin. Louder, louder.
Ma'am, can you please go to the down? Fine. A. 1 by 2 of the days in June in hours.
In hours. Yes, hours. So children, half of the, see, we have done now question number 14B. The answer is 8 minutes. Have you all done? Completed?
Yes.
So next we are going to do question number 15. Half of the days in June. So before starting, how many days are there in June? Who can give me the answer?
31.
Who's having 31 days? Kasina? Kasina is having 31 days in June? 30. Yes, correct answer. Now, who can give me the months, name of the months that have 30 days? Who can give me? Is confident only raise your hand. 1 minute. No need to say together, so it's not clear for me. So I'm asking.
Ma'am, which name? November.
Did I ask you, my dear? Please raise your hand if you know the months. Okay, Sheba. All others mute your device.
Ma'am, which month? Which
One
month?
you have to tell me, Abdiel. I'm asking which all months are there? with
31 or
days?
30?
30 days. Okay, Abdiel, mute your device. Sheba is going to share the answer. Yes, Sheba. You are muted. I cannot hear. November is correct. Okay, I want all the months with the 30 days.
Ma'am, can I Aradhya?
Yes, Aradhya.
30 days in September, April, June and November.
Oh, very good. You are singing a song like that. Again.
That it was in second standard.
April, June and November. April, June and November. Then one more is that April. Yes, April, November, June. Then one more. September. Yes, September. So half of the days in June means we had to find out half of 30. Yes. but we have to
Ma'am,
find
15.
the answer
Ma'am,
in
15.
hours. In hours. Okay, 15 is correct, my dear, but we have to find in hours. You know how many hours in a day?
24.
24. Okay, very good.
24.
Let's do together. So 15A, half of the days in June. Half of, instead of we will write multiply. How many days in June? 30. So find
Ma'am,
out
should we
30
write this?
divided by 2.
Should we write this?
Yes. Who is having doubt?
DL.
Abdul. Find out 30 divided by 2, that much days we have.
Ma'am, can you please tell Abdil to mute? I am
Not
muted.
muted. He's muted. Now all of you mute. I will call one by one if I want to make you answer. Okay. Please don't unmute without permission. 30 divided by 2.
I got the answer.
No, ma'am.
30 divided by 2. Very simple one. Division by 2. Please wait, Aiden. 30 divided by 2.
10.
10. Who got 10? 10 to the 20.
Ma'am,
15. Okay, 1 into 2 is 2. Then bring down here 0. 5 2s are 10. So your answer is correct. 10 days. No, 10 days. Who said that is wrong? 15 days is correct answer.
15.
Yes. But children, we don't want the answer in days, but we want answer in hours. So we can write the next step. 1 day is equal to. 1 day is equal to how many hours? Dash hours, tell me.
24.
24. Okay, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 15 days, how many hours? 15 into 24. Find out. Multiply and tell me the hours. Who's there? Adish, please mute your device. I think Adish joined now. Please take your math workbook. Page number 26. 15th question A we are completing now. $15 multiplied by 24. What is 5 into 4? 5 4s are?
5 4 are
Ma'am, 5.
20.
20.
2 is carryover. 1 into 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 60. Second row, we will start with 0. Again, 5 2s are 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 is carryover. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1.
2 plus 1 is 3.
Find out the answer here. 0
360.
360.
Okay. Find out whether you got the same answer, children. 360 hours. 360 hours.
I got the same
I got 360 hours.
Okay, so who got the same answer? Please do. See, 1 minute, children. See, you have 4 questions. So how you will write the answer? A, B, then you have to write here C and D. Otherwise, you will not have enough space to write.
Ma'am, can you please write this like this?
Hmm?
Ma'am, I have already written.
Written like that. Okay, very good. Yes, I can see. But children, all the steps you have to write. Okay, here 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 15 days equal to how many hours? All these you have to do. Nia, can you read the next question? 15th question B.
1 by 3 of the days in September in hours.
Yes, September, how many days are there?
31 days.
Oh, this Aradhya was reading
30,
same one
30
song.
30 days.
Aradhya, please sing that song again.
30 days.
Wait, all of you.
Days in
be
September,
quiet.
April, July, and November.
September, April, June and November.
September, April, June,
June.
and November.
All
Don't
the rest have 31 days.
30. Okay.
All the days have 31 days.
Only February we have 28 or 29. Okay. So question number, who said now 31 days? Hmm?
I'm
Yeah? Okay.
Ma'am, why it is 28 days?
Ma'am, do you
February.
in WhatsApp?
Leap year.
Who want this in WhatsApp now?
Ma'am,
Adis.
You are not writing. You don't have the book?
Ma'am, I don't have the book. I am writing in your book.
Okay. I will send. Yes, children. 15th question B. So the answer, what you have to do here? 1/3 of the days in September. 1/3 of the days in September is also have 30 days. Very easy question. 30 divided by 3. Find out that much days. How many days?
10.
10. Very good. 10 3s are 30. Very easy. 10 3s are 30. Again, you have to find out in hours. So what we will write the next step, children? 1 day. How many hours?
24.
24 hours. So it's very easy again. In 10 days, 10 days, how many hours?
24.
24 times 10. Find out the answer. Dash hours.
Ma'am, someone is saying the answer. They just
Don't say the answer now. It's very easy. Let everyone complete alone. I think some disturbance again because someone is not muted. Please mute you guys. Yes, Tejasri. What is 24 into 10?
Ma'am,
Any
you
number
are
multiplied
asking
with 10, you
me
have
to
to add only
unmute.
one.
Ma'am, you are asking me to unmute.
I'm 240.
Yes, write 24 into 1.
Can I
is
say
24,
the answer?
then 0. Only 1 0. Did you all get this answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many got this answer? 240. Raise your hand. It's very easy. Yes, multiply with 10. Yes, very good. Many got correct answer. Now try to do question number C alone. Those who have completed question number B, try to do question number C. Amrin, can you read the question number C?
Yes, ma'am. 1/5 of the days in April in hours.
Yes, 1/5 of the days in April. Again, April. How many days? The same. Yes? 30 days. Okay, so you can continue. Question number 15B.
Number C.
C. Yes, C. Question number C.
1/5 of the days in April.
April. 1/5 of means we will do multiply. Again, 30 days in April. So 30 divided by 5. Find out the answer. Don't say the answer now. Please do alone. You have dash days.
Very simple.
Very simple. That's why I say don't say. Let everyone do alone.
I got the answer.
All of you got the same?
Yes.
Yes, 6 days. Now,
Yes.
what we have to do? Find out how many
Hours.
Hours.
Yes, 1 day is equal to how many hours? 1 day again. Write the same step.
24 hours.
24 hours.
hours.
So in 6 days, we have to multiply again. 6 days, we have 6 times 24. 6 times 24. Find out, multiply that much hours. You can write it here.
6 into 24.
All the children muted.
I am muted.
Okay, okay, my dear. Did you get the answer?
No, ma'am.
24 times.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
144. 144.
Is it correct?
144.
Okay, 6 4s are 24, 2 is carry over, 6 2s are 12 plus 2, 14. Yes, 144, correct answer. 144 hours. Ronit Lijo, Ronit, can you read the next question? Question number D.
1/10 of the day in November.
Yes,
in
1/10 of the days in November. Again, Benedict, November, how many days are there?
30 days.
30. Okay, so 1/10 of the days in November. Again, this is 30 divided by 10. Find out the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is 3.
3. 10 3s are 30. 10 3s are 30. Again, find out the answer. 1 hours. In hours, we had to do hours. So 1 day is equal to how many hours?
24 hours. 24 hours.
So 3 days, it will be 3 times 24. 3 times 24. Find out.
Ma'am, I got the
Please don't say the answer louder, my dear children. Please wait. Okay, now children, please check the answer. What's the answer?
72 hours. 72
All of you got the same. 24, when you multiply it by 3, 3 4s are 12, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7, 72. 72 hours.
Ma'am, no, finish drawing on the board.
Yes, we don't touch. Okay, now see children, how many got this answer? 72 hours. Can you raise your hand? Yes? Okay. So is there any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. We have completed till question number 15. Question number 16 we will do in the next class. But remember, in the next class, you have to study one more table. What is that? 9. 9. Table 10 is very easy. And some children, they were not sure about the tables today. They have to study again all the tables. And next class, every class I will ask you. First 10 minutes, I will ask you multiplication tables. So be prepared. Yes, children? And I want to see that confident. You, ma'am, you can ask me any table, I will answer faster. Let me see how many children will be there with such confidence. Yes? You will be there. Okay, let me see. Okay, children. So we will wind up the class now. In the next class, we will start with question number 16. And I will send the notes, this workbook in the group. Those who have not completed, you can complete. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Bye, ma'am.